String formatting. So what does it mean by string formatting? This process, it helps the user or the programmer to create a string with multiple placeholders that can be placeholders or the positions that can be replaced by different values of different variables. Let's try to understand this through here one example. So here I have three print statements. In the first print statement here, we have the first value, that's a string Tokyo, then a float value 35.6, and another one float value 140.8. So I need to print a statement like this. So the first placement, the Tokyo is a string, so the format specifier that is needed, that is percentile S. Now 35.6 is a float type, so you need the format specifier percentile F. And then 140.8 is also a float type, so the format specifier is percentile F. Now automatically, by the position organization in this list here, so the first one will refer to the first format specifier, second one refer to the position of second one, and third one will be replaced here in the third one. So in this way, here first Tokyo will be placed with percentile S. Now 35.6 will be printed after this. After then north, then comma, then this float value with after that adding east to it. So if you see in the output, here is the output. First the first string percentile S, then you have 35.6 as the float value. Okay, as we have not mentioned how many digits does it need after the decimal, so that's why it's showing some random amount of zeros after the point 6, and same thing also going on with the 140.8. Now in the same way, this Tokyo will be placed in the format specifier here. 35.6 will be replaced with the 0.2f. What does it mean? So as 35.6 is our float value, so that for that it's percentile f. But as I need only two places after decimal, so only 60. That is why I'm mentioning percentile 0.2f. So if you need at certain point of time, you need five places after decimal, so you can just change it like this, uh, percentile 0.5f, and that will allow five places after decimal. And for this one, 140.8 is the value, and it needs three places after decimal. So because of that, it's showing three places after decimal. Same way, in the same way, this print statement also will print like this in the output. This is string formatting. So let's review another type of function, string inbuilt function that we have, and it's used for string formatting. Okay, so here using the format function, so let me just run the code. So this is one print statement. So what do we have here? Let me just take it out and put it here. Uh, so in the format function, whatever is the value, it's a string here. Computer science is a string with have a space with having a space in it. So this string will be replaced with the curly braces here. This is a position for it. So that's why it's printing computer science, comma, computer science for students, and then full stop. This is one way of using the format function. Now let's say you have one string like this, then you want to use this string variable name dot format Python. So wherever there is an empty curly brace for the position of the string, there it will just place this string inside of it. And because of this, you have the output. This article is written in Python. In the same way, there is another one string with having two positions specified. So depending on the print function here in the format function, the first cat, the first element will go to the first position, second element will go to the second position up here. And the way you will visualize this statement, it gets printed in this way, the cat in the hat. Now, using the string indexes also, you can apply the arguments of the format function inside these curly braces. So the first position is 0, second cat position is 1. So wherever there is a 1, it will place cat here, and when it's 0, it will place the hat. So that is why you have this type of output. Now, naming. So in the format function with having a naming applied to the value rather than using the indexes or positional placement, you can use the name matching the value over here. So if you place animal, then here in this place cat will be replaced with the animal place, and then hat will be replaced with the headwear, and this is how it will be printed in the output. This is all about your string formatting.